What up YouTube, this is 34 Skyline, and this is going to be another unboxing. I picked up another mouse because my MX Master is getting kind of old, and I'm putting it towards I'm selling it with my 2010 Mac Pro, so I'm going to need a new one. So I picked up the MX Master 3. And it's the gray one, and I'll do a little unboxing of it. Here's the side of the box, the bottom, other side, and the back. So let's unbox it. Now it's in a black kind of box. I don't know if you can see it, but it says Mx Logitech. You know, you can see it in the camera, but it says Mx Logic. And open it up, and I got the all gray one. I think it looks sick. Something different. Different color. Hope this will match my new Mac Pro, 2019 Mac Pro. And I think it will. Here's the side of it. The back. This one looks a little bit fatter. This is the skinnier. Here's the side view. The new one. And the old one. And here's the top view of both. The side and other side view. And the back. Again, since I sold my mouse for the 2010 Mac Pro, on my 2010 Mac Pro, it came with a wired keyboard and my Magic Mouse. But I sold the Magic Mouse because somebody needed it, so I sold that one. So once I sell my 2010 Mac Pro, this is going along with it, and that's why I bought this. And so I'm gonna pack this up inside the new Mac Pro, so that's ready to go. Again, if you guys are interested. Again, I'm selling a 2010 Mac Pro 12 core with 32 gigs and with the AMD, or the 4 gigabyte AMD Radeon 560. I'm also selling a 5K iMac, a 27-inch i7 32 gigs. If you guys are interested in those two things, I'm getting rid of it, as you may know. Thinking about getting a second XDR display. But like I said in my earlier video, that I don't want to pull any more money out. I just pulled $18,000 to pay for my setup. So I'm not pulling any more money out of there. So I'm just going to sell all my old stuff. Again, if you guys are interested in a 12 core Mac Pro 2010. I'm selling that, as you know, and I'm also selling that 5K iMac. And if you guys are interested in that, drop me a message on Twitter, Facebook, on here. I'll leave a comment below if you're interested. So I am selling it. I'm trying to raise money to get either a second display or the new NVIDIA GPU that's coming out later this year. Either of those two. So I'm still thinking about it, because like, again, you guys have to think about if I do decide to get this other monitor, I'm going to be spending another $7,000, because you have to get the Apple Care with that type of monitor. If you don't get Apple Care with that type of monitor and something fucks up, that shit's all on you. So that's why I want the display, the stand, and Apple Care. All together it will be $7,000. And I was thinking about this, once you get a new Titan new Titan card and get the Predator X35 and get both of those instead of getting the XDR, the extra XDR. I don't know. I think it will look kind of funky if you have an ultra wide and a regular size monitor next side by side together. But I was thinking about, instead of buying an XDR, because I'm going to be spending another $7,000, I can spend less than that and just get a Predator X35 and get the new Titan that's coming out later this year. So that's what I'm thinking about right now. And there's a lot of talks. That's why I'm trying to get rid of the Titan right now, that Titan RTX, because there's a new one coming out later this year. And I heard that the new 3080 Ti is going to beat out the Titan RTX that I have right now. So I need to get rid of that sucker right there, man. So if you guys are interested in that, I'm selling that also. Anyway, it's just a little unboxing of my new mouse, the MX Master 3.